Hey, what's up everybody? We're in Ashtabula today and we're about to check out a DIY. It's been closed for a while now. And I'm here with Terry. He's farting around behind me. And we got Richard and Wolf and Kara. Kara Wolf. What was that?
Trevor. No. Different birdie. It's a different birdie. Nope.
That's the birdies. We got some bird friends out here today.
And some barking spiders.
Barking spiders. Two right over here.
What's up, guys? We're in Ashtabula at the former D.I.Y.
I think you were about to say it.
Terry.
Ashtabula.
It did it again.
Oops, he did it again.
Oops.
There we go.
Well, all you can see is a glass reflection. You can see me.
Just gonna go do a little bit of looking in. Oh. All right.
All right.
I can't see these, so let's see.
Attention customers, we cannot be responsible for damages caused by carts left in the lot. Right there. Can't really see much over here.
Oh, they still got all this stuff.
They still got. Oh, I see it. Okay.
Dutch boy.
I didn't see that.
Dutch boy.
Yeah.
Take a look here.
Crane plumbing.
Oh.
Oops. I did it again. Dutch boy. Oh, he's being silly.
Oh, wow.
Looks like that there's still one.
John's gonna get a kick out of that.
Alright, let's look inside this window here. Oh, let's go on.
John's gonna get a kick out of that. Right, John Cassidy? Oh, lovely spider web. Look at that. And a big, massive... Oh, wow. It's pretty big. I don't see the spider, but... Yes. Ah, I don't want no spiders on me. Ah. There's dark in there. You can't see anything. Massive spider web.
Just watch your step because there's some rebar coming out.
Oh, okay. The seagulls are noisy. Oh, yeah.
Watch the holes, the tiny little holes. Because
Yeah.
if you look right here,
Yeah. Huh. And a drain. What's back
Tripping
here?
hazard for me.
Tripping hazard, yeah. Some kind of wire cable. What's- He went on the ground. Did you fall or something?
No, there's a hole.
Dramatic. Because there's a break in the bag right there. You can almost see it.
Yeah. Oh, you guys. I wonder if I got that on film, Tara. I think I did.
Bucket loader over here.
Yeah, some shade. Oh. Pooh-wee. Was that you? Stinky Terry? Phew. Oh man, it smells like cow manure. Hey, look, there's an animal over there. What is that? Groundhog? Groundhog. You see him, guys? There's a groundhog over there. It's right there. Right. My finger might get in the way, but you see him? He's just like standing still. Come here, groundhog. Bye-bye, groundhog. So this is the lighting that they had in their parking lot. They're just laying back here, these big huge lights. I don't know what they're going to do over here. Well, at least nobody busted them out, which is a good thing. And some big, oh, okay, cinder blocks. They look like they were the poles that they had in the parking lot at one time. Woo-wee. It is 93 today. It might be hotter, I'm not sure, but it was supposed to go up to 93 in the 90s. So it's really hot. And me and Terry have sunburns because we were out today at Geneva on the lake filming. And then now we're out here.
Major's having to open the door.
Whoa. Be careful. So, oh wow.
Salt.
Oh, okay. Huh.
There was a truck in here
Yeah. Yeah.
last time we were here.
Wow.
I just opened the door.
Being silly.
Oh, what a way to end a video. What? Said, have a good one.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm with my crazy group here. Terry. Wait, there's...
With this toothless wonder speaking.
Toothless Wonder.
Universal Translator says.
And Richard, Brendan Wolf, and Carol Wolf. Woohoo! Thanks guys for watching. And we'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye-bye. Peace out.